Introducing the 2024 Volvo Ex30 SIN, MTR EXT RNG RWD Ultra. This sleek black electric estate jocked Jeep is not your average vehicle. Packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and so much more. This Volvo has it all. Not only does this car offer top-of-the-line technology and security, but it also includes stylish touches like privacy glass, a glass roof, and a spoiler. With headlight washers, energy recuperation, and self-driving capabilities, this Volvo truly has everything you need for a smooth and safe ride. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Interested in owning the 2024 Volvo X30 SIN MTR XT RNG RWD Ultra? Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with Volvo. Drive in style and safety.